The Great Smoky Mountains. Have you ever wondered why it's called Smoky Mountains? I'm a fireman and a pilot, but not at the same time. Let me tell you about it. It's called the Great Smoky Mountains for one reason. That's because the clouds that usually sit low always look smoky. Tell you what, instead of explaining it, let me show you. It's happening right now. Look at this. That's not smoke. That blue tint to the cloud is nothing more than a small amount of moisture layer that appears to be equivalent to smoke. That right there lays low inside these valleys and appears like they're quite often on fire. And although they've experienced more than their fair share of forest fires and destruction from fire, today, it's just clouds. So like what we do, I'm a fireman and a pilot, not at the same time, and aviation's about one thing, that's people. Give us a follow.